sa inyong mga laptop, pero ang ating home base ngayon is on the GMA News TV Network. Steph Sarmenta, Andrew Rulia. We're looking for Ian. He's gone.
He's gone.
We sent him away for the meantime. In the meantime, Balse is trying to pump up her young team.
Of course, that's where you see leadership coming into play.
I think we're beginning to see that in the veteran players actually. We see that in Rachel Andakis. She's trying to... Si ate nga ang tawag sa kanya ng mga Ateneo players eh.
Free ball.
Balse in the middle. Huli ng net. (17-12). If you're looking for Ian Laurel, we sent him on a mission somewhere out there.
On a mission too.
To whatever. Naman yung ating skin doctor. Oop, net close to the net, and that is outside.
Now these errors also not helping the cause of Arellano.
You know, I think you can correct me if you like. Adamson is not doing anything special really.
At this point, yes. Kumbaga, ito, Adamson is just making sure they don't commit as much errors.
Good
but
point.
Nothing fancy, nothing flashy even.
No combinations, and they're just playing good defense at the net. Just blocking Balse. Henson got that to go. Makatuna with a reverse set. Nicely done by Paz.
Even attacks like that, kung iisipin mo, medyo miss-hit pa yun, ano? Didn't you know, give Adamson a difficult time scoring that point.
Shakey's for Fun Family Pizzas. Got to be Shakey's. We've got a timeout requested by Arellano. Time to zoom in.
Nandito ka lang. Wala ka mauuwa dyan. Nagkatago ka sa blake. Mag-adjust ka. Umuha sa lahat sa kanya. Magtrabaho tayo. Hindi tayo nagtatrabaho sa likod.
Nagkalaban tayo.
Pag tumalo kayo, huwag nyo natangin yung zone 5. Ay, zone 5. Zone 1 naman kayo. Huli nyo. Lalay yung utility. Yan natin nyo yung zone 5. Pinabantayan na. Open yung kasama.
Head coach Obetavia trying to egg on his team to vary its offense a bit. Ateneo Lady Eagles and the Lady Patriots of De La Salle, Dasmariñas get entangled in our TV schedule. Reverse set. Balse is hijacked by a double block. This is where Adamson has always been good at, blocking.
Actually, defense in the front row or defense back row yan.
Ano na yan, parang staple na ng Adamson, and they've always been very good defensive players.
Kaya nga that, even before, if you'd be a team that will go up against Adamson, kahit magaling kang umatake, you have to do a better job than the usual.
Correct.
Dahil kahit saan madalin yung bola, magugulat ka. May depensa doon yung Adamson.
Parang hinahampas mo, parang yung drill na hinahampas mo sa pader, balik lang ng balik yung bola. And that is how it feels to play against Adamson. So finely tuned as far as their fundamentals. Simpleng regalo, hindi pinalo ni Paat, however. Makatuno. Huli, laglag. We call it regalo. In volleyball, it's regalo because, ladies and gentlemen, if you play this game, and once you play this game, it looks like a big Christmas present atop the net. You just wanna hit it.
At pag nakakakita ng ganyan ang mga players, may gigil dyan.
Oh, no?
Diba?
May shock eh. Why is it just there? Why is it floating? You have to make that split-second decision to slam it. Joust at the net. Salamagos got tied up. Guevara beating Salamagos there. The libero of Adamson is Princess Lestana. Ibiza is the libero for Arellano. Henson again. Unable to get going so far in the game. Makatuna with the jump set. That's too strong. And Adamson always seems to develop a new setter every year. May not. Well, we've gone through the Janet Serapika years. We've seen so many through the years. And then they have a gem of a setter here in Makatuno. Henson. Ooh, short. Baba ng tots mo. Nang baba ng bigay niya.
Tapo,
and tapos yung pagbaba niya, not the height of the jump.
Actually, yun yung critical, ano, if you are the kind of player na nag-jump serve or nag-jump float, crucial dyan yung bato.
The toss, like in tennis, like in badminton, sa baba lang yan, di ba? In tennis, you really toss it at a good level, and if the toss is wrong, it's all wrong. Serving for Adamson is Fenella Emnas, who's in the game for the first time. They're trying to finish this opening set. Balser from the middle. Inside. Cortel is also in the game. That's Marlene Cortel wearing number 15. Emnas is number 12. Sagun to serve. 23-15. Emnas with the set. Huli. Bakbakan sa net. Recycled offense. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo sipag ng Adamson. Hindi agad babagsak ang bola pag Adamson. Nakalusot yun si Teresa. It takes one to know one.
Yep. Nakita mo yung bilis ng bola nitong si Nene Bautista. Look at this.
Tsaka yung wallop, no? Yung tulis, oh. Yung load up niya. Perfect. 23-16. Emnas with the set. Good set. Huli lang ng double back.
Now Adamson trying to find the way.
What you want here, you might not win the set. Get a few points. Shatter the confidence of the other side so that when you go into the second set, ganun lang.
Hindi naman malayo.
Hindi nyo kami na-escapean, ha? Sagun serve. Emnas, good set. Nicely brushed by Guevara against the block. We're at set point. New generation na itong Adamson, ano? Except for Benting and the veteran Soriano. Legacion is inside for Arellano, pulling out Sagun. Calixto also makes an entry. Coming in for number 5, that's Mary Jane Tikar, who was one of the starters.
This is, trying to bring in more height here in the front line of Arellano.
Kailangan makipag-matchan sila sa blocking. Talo sila sa blocking dito, eh.
Arellano with 3 attackers. 3 tall attackers, actually.
Could be the starting setup for the second set. Balse into the net, and this set is over. Adamson with a solid defensive wall. Throwing back, returning everything. Spam lahat. Bounce back lahat ng email na pinadala ng Arellano. As you take a look at the end of this first set, we'll be back for more. 25-17 is our score. This is our Shakey's Shake and Play. It'll take us into the break, and we'll be back very quickly.